So first on my phone, I'm going to open the application, wait for it to load, and then I'm going to navigate to the More button on the bottom right hand side of the screen. That opens up a menu, and scroll down until you see Friends. When it opens the Friends screen, we're going to use the plus button on the top right hand side of the screen. Click on the plus. You can add people through a few different ways: contacts, Facebook, email, or if you have the username. Use the last option if you have the username. Type the username in the top field. Mine is Let's Go Ketogenic. Put your name in the next field. And then give the person a hint of how you know them or why you want to connect. And we're going to click the tick at the top right hand side of the screen. Now mine is going to fail because I'm trying to friend myself. Obviously that's not going to work. Just exit back out of those screens, right back to the home menu, which is the house on the left bottom. When we're connected, you can refresh your screen by pulling down, and you will see me pop into your newsfeed.